So hello guys, my name is Utkarsh and you are watching Company 360. In this video, we will see what are the license requirements for FSSAI, rules and benefits for the same. So let's get straight into the video. Now first, let us understand about Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, which is also known as FSSAI. So FSSAI is the organization that ensures for safe food production, storage and handling. A food license which is issued by the FSSAI is regarded as a permit which is required to operate a food related business and also in order to ensure good quality of food in your business and benefits one from government actions or non-compliances on the same. The FSSAI issues a 14-digit license number to the food business operators who have given their consent to rules and regulation as provided by the FSS Act. Currently, every acts and regulations are handled by the jurisdiction of SSAI. The FSSAI licensing and registration system takes the complete responsibility and issues necessary steps about the quality of food products. The validity of license can extend from 1 to 5 years. Now, as the FSSAI registration is essential, likewise, FSSAI license renewal is equally essential. One cannot take a chance to miss applying for renewal. Though the applicant is free to choose the validity of license as per his/her needs and requirements, the same has to be akin to renewal of license time to time without any delay to avoid penalty. In case if the applicant has not applied for food license renewal or has missed the due date, the license will be considered as expired and the business operator will not allow to be continuing the food activities as well. Hence, it is advisable to apply for renewal process before time. Now let us see the rules which are listed by the FSSAI. The license renewal should be done in time to avoid penalties. The renewal needs to be done 120 days before the expiry of license. The license renewal fee amount is chargeable as rupees 100 per days from the date of expiry. The FSSAI license will appear in the license renewal bin before 60 days of the expiration of license. Hence, it is suggested to apply for renewal of food license at the same time. The validity of FSSAI license is extendable between 1 to 5 years and likewise cost of the license will apply. The primary aim of establishing the FSSAI standards is to lay down standard norms for food articles on more scientific basis than which was followed earlier and also to maintain and regulate the manufacture, storage, sale, distribution and import of food items in the most optimal manner that operates within the framework of the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. Today there are numerous ways for buying food, starting from packed food, online delivery of foods from restaurants. Considering this fact, it is of high importance that the safety and quality of the food served is adequate. The FSSAI license ensures that the food served from these restaurants have met with the quality prescribed. Thus, those restaurants that do not have the FSSAI license will be delisted correspondingly. There are some benefits for registering for FSSAI license. So now let us see them one by one. First, consumer awareness. In this age of information, the consumers have become more alert and more informative about the quality of food which they eat. With the number of diets and increasing the healthy food option, people are required to know as to what they are consuming is not just safe but also is of really good quality. Second, legal advantage. Most of the businesses identify getting an FSSAI license as an expensive, time consuming and an inconvenient process of documentation. Thus, they try to avoid getting the license. But in reality, the process is not so cumbersome and there are also a lot of consultancies that can help you get the license with ease. The actual cost which is required in order to achieve the license is less than what you will have to pay for in as the penalties if you are caught. Thus, it is advisable for any businessman to firstly get the license before you can even officially open your business. Third, using the FSSAI logo. Once you have the license, you can skillfully use FSSAI logo in your menu cards and also in the pamphlets in order to publicize your food's superior quality over others. This, however, gives you an edge over many food operators who are not having the license. All the packaged food are thus required to have an FSSAI number. The logo is seen as a mark of validity and also for assurance by the consumers. In fact, there are some selective consumers who only want to consume foods which are FSSAI marks. This helps you to develop a brand image of your name. Fourth, quality check. The FSSAI license gives you a direct access of laws and department control at a sole approachable point. Fifth, business expansion. When the time comes for your business to expand in other areas or outlets, you can easily do so with the use of your FSSAI license. The license will help you to establish your reputation and also qualification to grow your business in a direction with ease. Moreover, the license can also make it easy for you to get bank loans and for funding which is required for expansion. It is believed that there are more than 5 crore food businesses in the country, while only 33 lakhs of them are registered with FSSAI. The importance of quality standards is ever growing and it is beneficial in the short as well as long term for your business in order to have a FSSAI license. So that is it for this video, guys. Do let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you require any sort of legal consultation, you can email us or call us at the given number. Our counsel would be happy to help you. Thank you again for watching the video and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.